Tasi! Me and Maddie are gonna go through the car wash. I haven't been through a car wash since I lived in Seattle, and Coco's in the back.
I love car washes.
Yeah, we're gonna take Maddie's car through first and then mine. But I thought we'd take you along for the adventure. Okay, ta-ta for now.
Before with dog.
Right now?
I don't know. I've never driven through the car wash.
We're in pre-car wash mode.
I'm getting kind of nervous because my roof has like a hole in it with the sunroof, so sometimes it leaks.
Oh dear, this will be an adventure.
Yeah.
I'll let you know how it goes.
Yes!
Wait, will my car be high enough?
No, I mean low enough. Get ready to stop. It's okay. She's really nervous.
Oh gosh, it just says keep driving.
It said stop though. That's so awkward.
Should I reverse? Should I reverse?
I think so. Wait, it would say back up if it wanted you to back up.
Does it have a back? Oh wait, yeah, it does.
It's a stop. Don't go. Don't go.
Wait, should I park?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just in case you like panic.
I would do something like that. Oh, the bubbles!
Coco does
Yes.
not. Look at her.
I'm sorry. Oh, you're so soft.
Yeah, she just got groomed. Except your face is really nasty.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, it got really hot in here. That was so intense.
Forget Han Burl, just go to the car wash.
Oh gosh, it looks like so evil.
It's coming.
Poor Coco. She's like shivering.
It's okay, buddy. Oh my goodness.
Oh gosh, I'm so afraid now. It's dirty
It's the worst car wash.
Where's $5 off my life?
Look at, there's still bubbles. I didn't even rinse off. The windshield does look cleaner.
Yeah. Oh wait, I can't go.
For a second I thought Coco peed on me. You turned the air on. And your car leaked on my leg.
I told you there were some leaks.
Oh my goodness.
It's still like there's bubbles everywhere. So we're going through again with Katie's car now.
My car's
gosh.
really gross, so I'm excited.
It didn't even clean my car. I checked the hood and I wiped so much dirt off. I'm gonna have to go home and clean it.
It just like spit water on us.
It didn't even rinse the soap off afterwards.
We both screamed though, so it was entertaining.
Oh, it was so scary.
No, I just said don't. That was...
I'm so stressed. Oh, it's just bubbles.
Oh, Jemima.
Jemima? Oh yeah, I forgot you said that. I'm just gonna slowly put that right there.
The face you ass.
Yeah, look at all our expressions. All our beautiful faces.
Oh, I'm so sweaty.
It's so
and I'm
so stressed.
I know, the undercarriage wash I feel like was a bad idea.
I feel like that can't be healthy for your car.
Yeah, my car's really old. It's...
Oh no, it's the pressure washer! Oh
It's
god!
good!
Oh gosh! Wait, is it the soap? Is that soap?
I think so, it's just soap.
It's just soap. It's okay. It's just soap.
Please just be soap.
Oh gosh, this is the most stressful thing. Oh yeah, it's just soap and water.
Are you leaking yet?
No, I'm not leaking.
The crack isn't leaking. Oh yeah. Oh! Oh no, I stopped it. Did I? No, I didn't. I didn't. Ew, my wrinkly hand. Why did you get it to stay up? I'm so sweaty now. You're just pointing. Oh my gosh.
There we go. There's our beautiful faces.
I'm so scared.
I just got my blanket, like.
I think I just ruined the car.
Watch how it dies. Oh, golly jeepers. Oh no, oh no.
It's coming.
Ah!
Here, witness.
Oh, the horror! The horror! Oh my goodness.
Oh my gosh, I feel like it's ruining your car.
Your car is like shaking, like, please stop!
Don't say that.
I feel so bad. I'm sorry. It's okay. Oh my! Oh my! I don't think so. Not yet. Just oh, I see. I got some. It's like it's leaking so much. It's like it's like so much. Oh no, it's coming back. No. Give me the blanket. No, not yet. Oh gosh. I think I get my arm can cover it.
My side is leaking so.
My side, it got some spray in.
Oh! You scared me. It's like pooping.
I just got some multicolored foam.
It's like a bath bomb for a car.
Oh, that's so nice.
Oh, I've been holding it upside down. This.
Oh no, more water. My pinky's like in the corner, like it's on the outside of the car, basically.
Oh gosh.
At least your car's gonna be way cleaner than mine.
Yeah, this is definitely the superior wash, but I don't know if it's good for my car still.
Well, at least you didn't waste $5 on some water. That didn't even clean your car. Oh gosh, my pinky is gonna be insane. Oh gosh, it's leaking! The corner! At least the inside will be as clean as the outside.
Oh my goodness.
Oh.
We're doing fine.
Are we though?
I'm like sweating.
No, I'm
It's like the most stressful thing I've
The
done.
camera's just. Oh gosh, it's so foggy. Inside?
IDK, bro.
Don't call me a bra. Oh, so much water. Oh, it's beautiful.
I think it's leaking because I didn't shut the door very well. No, maybe I did.
Don't open it. Don't
I'm gonna
open
try
it
really fast.
Tasi! Come back! Oh gosh! Oh gosh! Oh, it's just air.
It's gonna like blow the crack off the
It's gonna blow the crack in. Oh gosh! Mine didn't even have a blow dryer.
Witness.
Oh gosh! Sounds like it's gonna break apart. Your windshield looks like it's
Did you hear that? My roof just like bent in. Did you hear that? There's like a tin can being like popped back into place.
Oh my gosh! That was so scary.
I think it made the crack bigger.
Oh
I
gosh!
don't think so actually.
Oh. It wouldn't surprise me. Oh no, it's coming back!
Oh, that sounds so unhealthy.
It sounds like an airplane.